The world is changing and we are driving the change. We are an engineering, technology and consultancy conglomerate offering next-generation turnkey solutions to diverse industries, from startups to multinationals across the globe. In 3 decades, we have empowered over 10,000 industries in more than 100 countries and touched millions of lives. We empower businesses to transform the world. We are Labh Group.
With our innovative business, global family and powerful purpose, we are making this world a better place.
Transforming the world takes ability. Labh Ability. With Labh Ability, we take end-to-end responsibility for any project from concept to commissioning. It is a one-stop solution for the customer as we take care of all their needs to set up plant and run it successfully with better profitability and complete peace of mind. With our state-of-the-art advanced engineering, Industry 4.0 solutions, digital transformations, technical and business consultancy, we offer smart innovative solutions to our customers and help them convert their dream into reality. We help our customers write their future. We are Labh Group.
With our knowledge, skills and resources, we are always committed to keeping our customers way ahead of their competitors.
At Labh Group, we firmly believe that better business leads to a better world. A better business brings more jobs, more prosperity and more resources for making a difference. Our purpose dwelling in our heart and soul drive all our actions. It shows the world the power and passion of Labh Group. Our purpose is echoed in our name itself. Labh, an auspicious ancient Sanskrit word which means benefits, benefits in abundance. When we say benefits, we mean benefits to all, our entire Labh family. A family that is global, diverse, inclusive and ever-expanding. Each member of our Labh family mindfully contributes towards fulfilling our purpose. Led by innovation, driven by purpose, we are Labh Group. With a mission of empowering lives, Labh Foundation helps individuals to reach their full potential, families to thrive and communities to flourish through a range of meaningful projects in partnership with leading NGOs of the world.
At Labh Foundation, we are committed to empower millions of lives and inspire people for making a difference.
Be our partner in making a better world. Be our partner in benefits. Welcome to Labh Group.